everyone, welcome to another episode of Trash Talk. April is Earth Month, and one of the ways that we can take action during Earth Month is to organize a community cleanup. Here we are in one of many of Fairfax County's beautiful little rivers and parks, and unfortunately there is garbage on the ground. It is just a byproduct of modern life, and so one thing that we can do is to try to help keep it clean by organizing a cleanup. Get your friends together, get your neighbors together, and keep Fairfax County looking beautiful.
My name is Carla Claure. I like to keep my community clean.
Hey Carla, how are you? Are you doing a cleanup for Earth Month?
Hi, how are you? Yes, every year I made one cleanup in my community.
Because when there's garbage on the ground, that's just a byproduct of living in the modern world, it contaminates the groundwater, it contaminates the rivers, and we really want to avoid that. So I think this is great that you're doing this.
Great.
Where did you get your awesome gear?
This provides the Fairfax Clean Fairfax.
Oh, yeah, I think I've heard of them.
They give you all the material for make that you clean in your community.
Awesome.
Every year my community make cleanups in this area.
I think it's great. I'm so happy to see you doing this. I'm very proud to know you.
Thank
you for doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
Happy Earth Month. See you later.
See you.
Clean Fairfax is a nonprofit organization that supports community cleanups here in Fairfax County. If you go to cleanfairfax.org, on our website you will find a cleanup supplies request form where you can request your own free supplies for your community cleanup.
Rivers like this one, when they fill up with trash, they present a hazard for animal life, for human health. If you want to learn more about how to take action to protect the Earth, join us at Earth Day Fairfax at Sully Historic Site on April 26th. Happy Earth Month! See you next time.